Welcome back to Leggari Products. In this video, Tyler's going to show you how to do one of the easiest techniques there is. Check it out.
It's a pleasure to have you all here today. Don't mind the noise, lots of stuff going on in the warehouse. As you can see, we're gonna do another board. We're gonna be incorporating some pigmented white epoxy. So not a metallic, a pigmented white, which is just a solid white. Adds really cool, different effects you can get with it. So we're gonna do a metallic silver base, and then we're gonna do our pigmented white highlights, really skinny veins. We're gonna just swirl it real quick, a really simple technique that everyone can do, and it's super fast and looks awesome every time. So as we always do, we're gonna do the base coat, roll it out thin. I'm gonna hit on my edges. We're gonna drizzle out some really skinny veins of the pigmented white. I'm gonna take the same roller I applied the base coat with and just swirl it real quick and leave it. So we'll get started. All right guys, so as you can see, we got some debris in the epoxy, and I use an old mixing paddle, and that's all it is. It's just chunks that fell off the mixing paddle, which obviously ain't a big deal on something like this, but if you're doing a whole counter and you got these everywhere, that can get really annoying. So make sure you're not using a really old paddle or one that's flaking off old epoxy. I think I use this paddle for our concrete overlay, so it's chunks of overlay that are popping off. Okay, now we're gonna add our pigmented white, and as you can see, it doesn't have a sparkle. It's just a solid color white, really bright and white color. The trick to the key to this is doing really skinny veins, because I want this to be really subtle highlights of white. So that's why I'm using a tongue depressor, and what I do, let it drip off for a minute, and that's it. That's a vein there. Let it drip off for a minute, vein there. Notice how these are kind of going all different directions. I'm staying apart. I don't have them too close together. Now we'll take our same roller. There's no need to get a new roller. This is already soaked up with epoxy. same color, and we're just gonna do a quick light swirl. And that's it. Notice how all my lines are kind of random, different directions. That's all you're looking for. And then this white will kind of pop back through once it kind of settles out and levels out.
Hey Leggari friends, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a single project. See you guys next time, and remember, Leggari.com has you covered.